Hello students, now welcome to this session. Now the first topic we are going to discuss is number series. Now this is the first topic in reasoning. Though these number series questions come under quantitative aptitude, but whereas in our CCE we are dealing this number series in reasoning section. Because though the numbers were included in this number series, not only the numbers will be included, but whereas a logic must also be included in this one. Hence we are giving more emphasis to the logic rather than the number. Hence we have included this number series in our reasoning curriculum. Now coming to this one, as this is the first session here, first let us discuss about the weightage part of this. Tell me what is the weightage of this number series in your examination? Any idea regarding this one? Anyone please? Now the total weightage of this number series in your examination will be for 5 marks, irrespective of the examination, whether it is a clerical examination or PO examination, Tier 1 or Tier 2, that is prelims or mains, SBI, IBPS, RRB, even specialist officer also you will definitely have some 5 questions. In prelims you will have 5 questions and in mains you will have 5 questions. That means altogether the weightage of this one will be around 10 marks. Isn't it? For a single exam it is 5 marks, but whereas in order to get a job you have to pass both the prelims as well as the mains, isn't it? Hence 5 plus 5 is the total weightage of this. Then what are the different models that come under this number series? Now I am discussing about this curriculum here. First I am discussing about the basics of this number series. Now in this basics we are focusing on only the models that will appear in prelims. The models that will appear in prelims we are discussing in the basics, that is this session, and after this, once the basic sessions in all the topics are completed, then again we are going to start advanced, and in that advanced sessions then we are going to discuss about that mains models. In the advanced sessions we are going to discuss about that mains. Now in this prelims, the models that will appear in the prelims will be dealt as of now. Now in the advanced, then the models that will come in the mains examination that were already appeared in the mains examination in various examinations, and apart from that one, some expected models will also be dealt in the advanced sessions. Okay. Now you are a part of both these two. There is no need to pay separate fee to this advanced one. Once the prelims have been done, basic sessions were done, then we'll deal with the advanced models. Now in the basics, prelims tell me what are the different models that comes under this basics. First one, in clerical Tier 1 and so on, if you observe here, particularly in clerical prelims, the first model will be finding the next number in the series. Finding the next number in the series, isn't it? Finding the next number in the series. Next number. Finding the next number in the series, in most of the cases, finding the next number or the missing number in the series. More than 80 to 90% of the cases you will have this model only. First we will deal with this one. Okay? In the exercise we are going to discuss around some 100 questions only on this model itself. Okay, then afterwards, then the second model in this, the second model in this one, after this will be, next number will be wrong number in the series. Now this wrong number in the series, if you consider this, in an examination of 4 slots, isn't it? On Saturday and Sunday, you will have the examination, Saturday you will have 4 slots. Now in 4 slots, definitely in 2 to 3 slots, this next number will be given, and in the remaining slots, that is either 1 slot or 2 slots, 1 wrong number will be given. Okay, hence these two are prelims models, and this wrong number could also be given in clerical mains as well as PO mains as well. The next one will be, next model we are going to discuss in this one will be basic session, that is 2-row number series. Now in this 2-row number series is also a part of both the basics, both the prelims as well as the mains. Okay. Now as of now we are focusing on these 3. Now these three we are going to discuss in this prelims session. Once we were very thorough with this, once all the topics of prelims were done, then we'll again come back to advanced models. In those advanced models, we are going to discuss about some 7 models of different nature. Okay? Then, now this is the weightage part, and this is about the models we are going to discuss in this session. And the next one, how to approach for these type of questions. Now in this, if you observe here, this is so easy area. And if you go right to the examination without any preparation, you can definitely score around 3 marks. Isn't it? Out of those 5 marks, you can easily score 3 marks without any preparation in clerical prelims. But whereas our task is to score 5 out of 5, and that too in less than 3 minutes. Okay? Our main task is to score 5 out of 5 in less than 3 minutes. And in order to score 5 out of 5 in less than 3 minutes, okay, then what are the things you need to be taken care of? Hence, to score this one, now you must be very thorough with the squares. Okay? You need to by heart all these numbers. You need to be very thorough with the squares. Then you need to be thorough with the cubes. Then you need to be thorough with the prime numbers. And these are must and should. And apart from this one, and you need to be thorough with the multiplication concepts as well. Multiplications. Okay? Now these are the things which are very vital in order to score 5 out of 5 in less than 3 minutes. Clear? Our task or our objective is to score 5 out of 5 in less than 3 minutes. Then in order to be thorough with this one, you need to be thorough with all these squares, cubes and prime numbers and multiplications as well. Then what are the squares that are to be remembered by you? Okay. Now you need to by heart the squares of first 30 numbers. How many squares you need to by heart? The squares of at least 30 numbers will be sufficient. Squares of first 30 numbers followed by the cubes of first 15 numbers. 15 to 20 are sufficient. Okay, at least 20 numbers. And the prime numbers below, and the prime numbers up to 100, below 100, and multiplications up to 20. Multiplications up to 20. If you are thorough with these 4, and obviously you will be thorough in the number series as well. Then coming to the squares. First, let us discuss about the squares. Now tell me what are the squares. Let's start writing down this. These are the squares of first 30 numbers. Write down all the squares in the first page of your notebook. Because daily you need to go through these squares at least once per day. Let's start working on this. 1 square. What is 1 square? 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square 16. 5 square 25. 6 square 36. 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, and 10 square it is 100. Clear? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. Then coming to this one, 11 square 121, 12 square 144. 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 256, 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, and 20 square it is 400. Then 20 square is 400. Completed writing down this. Then let us start with 21. Now 21 square 441, 22 square 484, 23 square 529, 24 square 576, 25 square 625, 26 square 676, 27 square 729, 28 square 784, 29 square 841, Finally 30 square, it is 900. Then these are the squares of first 30 numbers. Write down this. Hope everyone completed this. I'm repeating once again. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, 169, 196, 225, 256, 289, 324, 361, 400. Then 441, 484, 529, 576, 625, 676, 729, 784, 841, finally 900. Now these are the squares of first 30 numbers. Then let us start with cubes. Let's write down the cubes of the first 20 numbers. Cubes of first 20 numbers. 1 cube. What is 1 cube? 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8. Cube is nothing but multiplying the same number 3 times, isn't it? And 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4 into 4 is 4 cube. That is 64. And 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5 is 5 cube. That means each number when multiplied 3 times, then it will become cube. Square means that number must be multiplied twice. 4 square means 4 into 4. That is 16. Cube means 4 into 4 into 4, 64. That's what the major difference between square and a cube. Though you all people know this one, but as it is our duty to start from the basics. Okay? Then 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, and 6 cube is 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, and 10 cube it is 1000. Clear? Again, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, 729, and 1000. These are the squares of first 10 numbers. Then coming to this one, 11 cube. What is 11 cube? 11 cube is 1331, 12 cube 1728, 13 cube 2197, 14 cube 2744, 15 cube 3375, 16 cube 4096, 17 cube 4913, 18 cube 5832, 19 cube 6859, and finally 20 cube, it is 8000.
This class is as part of Sridhar CC's online batch 2. To watch full video course, log on to www.sreedharcc.com/online course. Subjects covered in this batch are useful for all competitive examination which a graduate can write in India. Reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general English, current affairs, computer awareness, and banking awareness. We are going to cover all these subjects in 2 different levels, basic level and advanced level. Basic level is useful for preliminary examination. Advanced level is useful for mains level. The batch includes 450 plus hours of classroom teaching and 150 plus hours for topic-wise test explanation. Medium of teaching, classes and explanation completely in English medium. PDF material will be provided in English medium. Topic-wise test for each and every subject, including each and every topic, will be conducted. And there are 3 packages available. The major 3 months, 6 months, and then 12 months packages are available. In 3-month structure, you'll get 450 hours plus classroom teaching, PDF copies, topic-wise test on all chapters, monthly model test and explanation, special live classes access for 3 months, 3 months current affairs including PDF, and student can watch all the above videos for n number of times. Apart from this, every Wednesday we will conduct preliminary examination. In 3 months period, you'll get 12 to 13 preliminary examinations followed by explanations. And every second Sunday and fourth Sunday, we will conduct mains examination. In 3 months, we can write 6 mains level exams. In 6 months course, you'll get 450 plus hours teaching, PDF copies, topic-wise test for all chapters, monthly model test and explanation, Special live classes access for 6 months and 6 months current affairs including PDF copies, and student can watch all the above for n number of times. In 6 months, you can write 24 to 26 preliminary examinations and 12 mains examinations. In 12 months course, special live classes access for 12 months will be there, 12 months current affairs will be there, and n number of times you can watch. Preliminary exams, 48 to 52 exams you can write, and there are 24 mains examination and each exam followed by explanation. 450 hours plus teaching, PDF copies. Along with PDF copies for 12 months course, we will send printed material to your home. If you have any queries, please contact us on 950443333 or mail us on online.sreedharcc@gmail.com.